How to speak to someone at Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can actually speak or contact someone at Uber Eats. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now don't get me wrong, Uber Eats is a very convenient app, especially when you can't actually go out to some of your favorite restaurants, and sometimes it almost seems like magic to be able to simply tap a few buttons on your phone and then have food delivered to your door within the hour. However, it's not a perfect system, and sometimes, as always, things go wrong and you may have ordered the wrong thing, changed your mind, had a problem with your driver, or your order may be missing items. Now Uber Eats does provide several different ways to contact them if something happens with an order, since they know that convenience is also what people are looking for when they use their app, so they want to keep the process as simple as possible. So in order to speak to someone or contact Uber, what you have to do is on the app, just navigate to the account tab at the bottom of your screen. Once you do so, tap on the help option to get to the Uber Eats help center. So as you can see, the button called help, as you can see, what you have to do is after that, choose the topic that most closely relates to your issue, then see if any of the frequently asked questions answer your question or solve the issue. Most issues with Uber Eats can be solved within their help center, so you don't give up until you're sure they don't have an option that helps you with your problem. However, let's say that you're not being able to actually find them, then there are also other direct ways to find them. Now, if you prefer your communication to be private and don't mind if they get back to you right away or if you get your answer the next day, you can simply send an email to eat@uber.com. I'll also make sure to leave their email directly in the description box. This is the official email of Uber Eats, so you can just go ahead and contact them via email. But keep in mind that to never send out sensitive information like a password or credit card number via email, because an Uber Eats representative should never ask you for those details. And that's all it takes to speak to someone at Uber. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.